Hi, hello people, welcome back to my channel Visualize with Vini. And in today's video of Sunday personality hacks, we are going to discuss about one of the most important quality that everybody wants to know. So how to make out of stress during exam preparation, ways to get out of it. Not only ways to get out of it, some essential things that you must do to enjoy your process is something I'm going to discuss to you today. Without any further delay, let's get into the topic and delve more. One of the beautiful ways that you can do to get out of stress is to do a physical activity. Actually, physical activity is very important no matter you prepare for exams or you don't prepare for exams. It is very important because all the great leaders that we know all quote about physical activity or doing exercises. It is very important. Even Nelson Mandela once said, exercise is the key not only to our physical health but also to your mental peace of mind. So if you want your peace of mind to be good, you have to do some exercises or physical activity. It doesn't matter what kind of physical activity you do, but you have to do something to keep your mind out of stress, or you should have something called inner silence. And for that, exercising or physical activity can do a big favor to you. And this is very important in an exam preparation like UPSC because it takes a whole year for you to prepare, and some even take 2 to 3 years to prepare. So to keep yourself motivated and to stick to the process and not feeling drained out, this physical activity can help you a lot. You can take any sport and practice it yourself, or you can even watch and get trained into it. So I will be a great example for you where I didn't know any sport, but only after getting into UPSC I started to run. Like I started running, I started doing physical exercises, and that taught me a better dimensions of life, looking at different dimensions of life. It can also help you to look at things in a different perspective, because once you get into a sport, automatically that kind of perseverance, the kind of discipline, the kind of confidence to do better will automatically come up. That is very important in life, that only sports can teach you. Even studies can teach you, but after a very long time. So you can adopt so much kind of things. You have music, you have dance, there are a lot of things to do apart from studying. Always have an extra activity that can comfort you even at bad times of your day, so that you will stay motivated and you will not feel drained out in this process. And at last, a tip from my side is, I have always been learning through this 2 to 2.5 years, and whenever I feel stressed out, I go run, or I do something, or I play something, or I do kitchen gardening, or I do paperwork or something to make myself stick to this preparation. And in this process I have understood that those particular things have opened new dimensions into life, and also helped me understand myself better. And the one important thing that I have to tell you is, don't think that this is not going to fetch you any marks because you have a section called as hobby in your detailed application form. After you clear your mains examination, it is going to really help you in your interview also. So even in marks perspective, it will fetch you value, because automatically you cannot lie your personality, and a good hobby can fetch you good marks. So that is all from my side for today. Pick a good hobby, discover yourself more and learn more. Keep aspiring, keep preparing. Meet you in another video of personality hacks. Until then, keep learning, keep discovering more.